Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here we are with another video of Project Mark 7. Today I'm going to teach you guys how it is very important to change your oil, what kind of oil you're using, and what company you go with. So without further ado, let's get the video started. So the reasoning of why I'm changing my oil is because I'm about to go to the racetrack. Now there's a number of different things that I would like in an oil. One, I don't want to keep switching oil, specifically one for just racing and one for my local driving. I want something that's going to benefit both the daily drive, which is most of my commuting, and high mileage, as well as killing the car on the racetrack and enjoying good fun and maybe some of the I race in the summertime, so it's definitely going to be in 90 to almost 100 degree weather in any type of climate. So I want to give a shout out to Rove, and they're actually Rove Motor Oil. So they actually make a really good oil here, and they actually recommended something to me. They actually have these cars in Europe. They're based out of Europe. They established back in 1995, and they recommend using this oil for my vehicle. So they said, since you're doing more track days and you're going to do more track days and you're driving in the sun, you should actually, we recommend you go with a 5W40 rather than the OEM 5W30. Now the reason why I went with them, they have a long pedigree of racing technology oils, using this technology to develop their oils, preserve their oils, as well as they have race cars. I believe they have a GT3 BMW M6 race car, as well as E-Euro Parts Audi RS3 race car that we saw at E-Euro Parts, E-Euro Fest 2018 at Lime Rock. They both all use this oil. So I kind of wanted to have something with racing pedigree that's been proven, that's been well known in the racing community, but also still being able to use it in the daily drive.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. We'll live for a new day.
So Rove Motor Oil was established back in February 1995 by the gentleman named Michael Zehe. So Michael Zehe was always a racing individual. He always loved racing. He always loved the development of racing, and he wanted to have an oil that does such. One of the cool things about Rove is their process of how to check the oil. They check it a minimum of 4 times throughout the production process. Twice during the blending and additive process, another during the bottling, and once more after it's been boxed on the shelf to ensure that the product has held to the highest standards to the consumer. So this is why I like Rove, and this is why I kind of like their product. They go through the testing. They have a racing pedigree. They have a M6 GT3 race car, as well as an Audi RS3 that runs this type of oil in the car, and has been proven, has been known in the racing industry. So I'm actually going to put this in my car, and I'm going to use it, and I'll give you guys definitely a review on how it's like. But I can tell you one thing right now is that the Rove oil is good in situations such as normal driving, like this. So one of the good examples of why I chose Rove Motor Oil is due to the fact of it protects the car in certain different conditions, such as today, where it's a 76-degree day. We're here just driving normally around 60-70 miles an hour, and it's literally just perfect. It's fine. The good thing about this is that now you know in behind the scenes your oil is being protected, you're being protected, your car engine's being protected, all the components in it are being protected. So it's great. I'm getting 30 miles to the gallon right now. It's definitely a great time, and I know that the oil, in my mind, I have a peace of mind that this oil is going to be working out very well for me in the fuel economy. But also, it protects me in situations and conditions like this. So the next part of the reason why I love Rove Motor Oil is because of days like this. On the track day, really getting down and dirty and really understanding your car in the best ways possible. Pushing your car to the absolute max limit with oil temperatures facing a 90-degree day and really pushing the car to the edge. And you really want to have a good oil to protect yourself, to protect the oil, to protect the engine, because you really want to have that good oil, that high-grade oil in the car. And definitely I have to say, this is amazing. It's definitely amazing. All right, guys, so this is a great opportunity of reasoning why it is very important to make sure to change the oil on a normal basis, but it's also very important to make sure what kind of oil you're putting in your car to ensure the quality of the oil, to ensure the grade of oil that you're putting in your car, and to also make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, protecting the engine and protecting the components built inside of it. So you know what, I'm glad that you watched this video, and in the link down below, I'm going to show you the link of where you can get Rove Motor Oil from. So without further ado, guys, this is JR14. In the next video, which is going to start right after this one, it's literally going to be the Mod to Fame Fest at the show at Mod to Fame Fest this year. And also, just to let you guys know, I'm running this oil in the car today too. So we're going to see how Mark 7 does on the track in the next video at Mod to Fame Fest. Hope you guys take care. Have a great day. And I was going to say keep moving forward. Sorry, TJ, but later.